The best oceanfront views on the beach in Palmetto Dunes. This 3-bedroom villa overlooks beautiful sandy beaches and the splendor of the Atlantic. Updated nicely with new LVP flooring, quartz kitchen countertops, new stainless appliances and bathroom fixtures. This floorplan offers great views of the beach from the living area and 2 bedrooms. The master suite features a private balcony on the ocean. Never before offered new, these views are unbelievable. Hampton Place offers 2 oceanfront pools, covered parking, a sun deck and fitness room. Located in Palmetto Dunes with 3 18s, tennis center, bike paths, shopping and dining.